Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today, last working day, Friday, September the 29th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cipher Block. In Japanese, Suguru. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two Jigsaw Sudokus. This one is interesting because this one has 9 printed digits. Should be an hard one. And we have one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Well, what's the news of today? Today the news, well, shooting. The shooting in Rotterdam. A student has killed 3 people. The neighbor, 39, her daughter, 14, and his teacher, 43. Well. Student kill 3 people. Yes. Well, shocking news here. All right. Let me start with this one, the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number. Oh. Zoom too much. Medium Sudoku number 7180. Yeah. 7180. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the 1 star has 27. 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25, 4 stars 24. If you compare with those puzzles in the additional, well, 28, I think it should be a 0 stars, and for 0 stars need to be faster than 40 minutes, maybe 50 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. About the 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Then about 7, need a 7 here. Need a 5 here. Okay, 3, 8, and 6. Well, we have here 6 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 3 of those missing numbers are the 3, the 8, and the 6. We have 3, 8, and 6 in this column, so no 3, 8, and 6 in these 3 boxes. 3, 8, and 6 goes in those 3 boxes. 3, 8, and 6. 3, 8, and 6. Okay. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 1, 4, 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. That means 1 digit left in this last column for number. The 2 is missing. Okay. 4, 4. Yeah, we have 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, the middle row. So that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see a 7 in this column. No 7, there's 7 should be there. 3, 8, 6. Well, we have 3 in this column, 3 in the, so we have 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 8 and the 6 are left in this big square. Here we have 1 and 1, 4, 7. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number. The 2 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright, 7. Alright. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 3 here. Well, we have a pair. We have a 2 and a 3 in the third row. A 2 and a 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3, okay. 4, 4. Need a 9 here. Need a 3 here. 3 in this row. 3 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 9, 9, 9. 9 in this column. Third column. 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. And wait. How about need a 5 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. And I need a 9 here. Well, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Well, we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 in this box. Yeah, 2 in this row, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2, 2. Alright. Okay. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. Okay. 1, 8, 5. 1, 1. How about 5, 8, and 6? Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. And look, we have a 6 and 8 in this row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. So 1 digit left in the second column for number 5. Alright. Okay. 5, 5. How about 2? Need a 2 here. 2, 6. No, 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. 8, 8. 2, 4, 8. 4, 8. 2, 4. Interesting. Alright, these 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 1, 6, 8. 1, 6, 8. Okay, 1, 6, 8. So we have a 1 there. 6, and we have an 8 there. Yeah. We have a pair, the 1 and 8 in this row, the 1 and 8 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle row. So on the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this row, last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first column, no 5, the 5 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright, we have all the 5s, no, 5, 5, okay, 9, 9. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. Okay, and now 2 numbers left in this big square. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 box left in this second column for number 6. 1 and 8, okay. So 4 in so we have 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Here 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1, 4, 7, 7. Oh, 8, and now 8. 1, 8, and 7. 1, 8, 7, and 4. Need a 4 here. Alright, and now 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers 1 is missing and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square, the numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level, the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 1 and the 8. Let me mark those, 1 and 8. 1 and a 2, okay. That means we need a 1 here in this column. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 5, 3, 9. Okay. Let me see. 7. Need a 9 here. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this column, no 9 there. The only place left for 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1, 1, 1. Okay. 2, 3 missing numbers. Okay, 7 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5, 5, yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now in this column, middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 9 goes there. And 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Here we have 1, 4, 7, and look, we have 4 and a 7 in this second row, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 1 then. 1 box left in this second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Yeah, 1 and 8. We have a 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this third row, 1 in the second row. So first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Same numbers, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Well, maybe I talked too much, but we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.